Nakita po ninyo mga kaibigan. Pinakamaliit na player sa loob ng hardcourt. Sumaksak sa loob. Sumaksak sa loob.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Crossover! Fly over! Lumilipad kasi palaging high Scorer! Skywalker! Best of all time yung roster Kinikilig pati mga courtside reporter Alam mo si Jaworski Noy P
For the championship at sa 16 na team na nagpasok sa LBC, ito ngayon ang dalawang team na magbabanggaan for the championship for the GP Laurel Poblacion on jersey number 28, John Ralph Dumantay. As you hear your name, please go in the center of our court. And jersey number 4, Jerome Delphine. On jersey number 10, Bones Estayo. On jersey number 22, Johnny Manzon. On jersey number 21, Simon Soriano. On jersey number 11, Arson Dumantay. On jersey number 5, John Paul Kalimlim. On jersey number 19, Joshua Madrid. On jersey number 8, Sampaga. On jersey number 30, Jefferson Avalos. On jersey number 24, Reds De Luna. And Justin Sampaga. And for the head coach, Dong Soriano. Palakpakan po natin ang team JP Laurel Poblacion. And this time for that team, Barangay Anulid, Nico Valdez and jersey number 28, Clarence Valdez and jersey number 2. Carlos James Ramos on jersey number 23, Lander Quinto on jersey number 13, Troy Bautista on jersey number 12, Ryan Magano on jersey number 17, John Paul Gundayao on jersey number 5, Kyle Kahusay on jersey number 8, Gian Pilac on jersey number 15, Michael Pilac, Adrian Pilac, and for the head coach of Barangay Anulid, Mr. Gino Magbaran. Palagpakan po natin ang team Barangay Anulid. At ang ating tatlong referee, Mr. Hines, Mr. Jolazo, and Mr. Anong. To give the message, palagpakan po natin the President of the Senior Organization and the Commissioner of Players LTC Arena for the message. Palagpakan po natin Mr. Orlando Areno. Next natin, again palagpakan po natin Commissioner Orlando Areno.
Lagi po kami, naalsaray. Pagkakaan kiran Galaw kung tayo Panunikan tayo ay na Rino ADC. Salamat tayo sa ay agad-arapan sa ay kakabay sa Jagaway na mapaya basketball na medyo na-istorbo. Salamat at si kayo. Isang tumat at sa kapitan tayo at barangay na kulikuli na si Iko Iya isang barangay din dili na iba't-ibang komisyonan sa kagawad ko ng military at salamat team at nagtagirap pagkakatira na dikit ang binisita sa Galaw tayo ay Galaw mo tira isang salamat mo at saray isa-is na aki barangay na aki ite sayan kay salamat din kayo sa saray officers tayo sa saray makukulitan supportive na aray ay na ipapangunan natin na kaya advisor mo ang saray na bayaw ko sa saray good luck at si kayo. Isang salamat at si kayo namin.
Taga dito sa PNR, every timeout at every yung may timeout, bawal pumasok ng court. Okay, thank you. And for the first 5, please go in the center of our court. Let's start the game 1 for the championship. Barangay Anolid versus the GP Laurel and Poblacion. Game 1 for the championship. And let's start the first period. And thank you para sa ating vlogger na si Mr. Motogates. Nandyan ang mga laro ninyo. Hanapin nyo lang at please subscribe Mr. Motogates sa kanyang YouTube channel. Makikita nyo ang lahat ng larong nangyari dito sa LBC Arelo. On first 5 at GP Laurel, number 28, number 5, number 8, number 11, and number 19. And for Barangay Anulid, number 23, number 3, number 8, number 28, and number 5. And let's start the first period for the game 1 championship game. GP Laurel Poblacion versus the Barangay Anulid. And battle for the jump ball, Kalimlim and Ramos. Sampaga this time on number 8. Now on Madrid. It's a 3 points on Madrid on number 19. This time Nico to Bukayaw. Babay ng class and 3 points also. On Bukayaw number 5. First headlock tayo. 3 all our official score. Dumantay. Bigay naman ang Madrid. Madrid ngayon. Looking for a receiver to Arsen Dumantay. Back to. It's a 3 seconds violation. This time on number 28, Nico Valdez ngayon. Didiskarte, Gundalaw, Bilayan, Clarence Valdez on number 3. Back to Gundalaw, number 5, para maagaw. This time on Madrid. Diretso, no basket. Defensive rebound, maagaw pa rin ng Madrid. Madrid pa rin to Sampaga. Sumpahay sa Sampaga. It's the 3 points on Nico Valdez on number 28. This time, Manjumantay. Bigay naman ang Madrid. Madrid ngayon. No basket. Arsen saves the ball. Sampaga to Dumantay. 10 seconds to shoot. Madrid is the basket. 2 points. Valdez on number 28 and loses the handle in 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Our time remaining on the first period. This time Arsen looking for receiver to Sampaga, back to Dumantay, and that loses the handle. Bigayan Bukayaw to Clarence Galan. For the first play, but no good. Number 8. Back.
6 yung dito.
It's a 2 points.
Gabi naman. Matok gabi ka laro.
This time on Madrid. Madrid saves by Dumantay on number 28. Nice shot, but no good. Nice from the hand of my basket. Defensive rebound. 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Sumakay to Madrid. Sumakay sa Madrid. Isang mga Madrid, Nico Badescan. British striker, mula sa Kahusan, Paul Bindaya. Jesus Nehado. At now the timeout from GP Laurel Strength for finish. And now back to the bogey. 4 minutes and 44 seconds on the third period. And our official score. 11-9. Naman yung dalawang puntos. Ang barangay Alunid. This time Ramos Sano. Yung naman ang palunin po number 28. At Bogo. At wala. Sinibay Barangay. Ang barangay Poblacion. Mag-move pa the baseline inbound. Madrid ngayon po Styles. Sayo naman. Pinito para nasarabuhan. Kahit ganun yung kahusay ko Styles. Nico Vargas. Nico Pogelo. At Musas Nehado. Sri Lanka Paga. So Dumatay. Dumatay ngayon. So Kalim Kalim at napaganda pa yan. 2 points is good on number 5. Second deadlock tayo. Number 10. Rizal pass. Pero makakakuha ng pala number. Number 3 ay Clarence Vargas. Connectly on the first period. Almost Lucas Nehado. This time through. May Clarence Vargas and Nico Vargas. This time naman.
Ganito mo pag marapos kami. Mamaya.
No basket, but the next foul on number 20. The guy to Styles. Styles this time. Now you play to Styles. The basket 2 points. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Vargas through. Vargas on Clarence. Clarence around. Clarence Vargas. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. This time Ramos naman. That block ang labas. Kalunin this time. Ako na Lares. Sinubo ni Kalunin. 2 minutes 18 seconds. Vargas sumumbayaw. Kalunin for the defensive rebound. Kalunin to Sayo. Sayo this time. 2 minutes on the clock. Sayo sinusubok. Vargas with Sampaga. Nalibre si Sampaga dahil sa 2 points. 1 minute 48 seconds. Hindi ka shot na Nico Vargas. Follow-up 2 points for number 5. Sayang now. At kunay sa pahalang number 8, kunay sa pahalang Kahusay, substitution. Number 5 is out. Substitution. Kahusay is out at papalitan ng number 15.
Huwag mo siyang guluhin. Ano ba yan? Friend, darag ka.
Sampaga. Kunas. Number 15, kunas sa pahalang number 50. It's a 14 foul. 1 minute and 9 seconds. This time Madrid. Madrid Leon. Madrid. Number 3. 1 minute and
Dito ako.
Tumba ka.
Technical foul on number 15 for the section of Vision on number 15, Pilat.
Ready.
Technical foul on number 15.
Bato.
Ano nang tapi? Ay, pugam.
That's it.
Ligay ni.
Substitution. Number 23 is out at pabalikan ng number 7, Pilat. 15 seconds. It's Safi. Finds a number 28, Human High. Nico Valdez to Clarence this time. Back to Nico Valdez. Nakalilawa, pangkalilawa. 5 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. Halloween this time. 19 seconds. Play is Number 28 on Nico Valdez. Tonight's foul. Penalty situation. Penalty. Two free throws awarded for his side. His throw is good. And this time for the second free throw. 17 seconds.
Wait lang.
10 seconds. 5 seconds. Hey, that's the line. And they all of the players for you.
Ati bali wala nang tao dun ay.
Dito ada. Bibigyan na nga eh. Ay, that's all. Hindi mo naman kinain yung ina eh.
At nagpapasalamat din ang Hello Agency to Ma'am Leonardo Soler at kay Madam Alma Grace Soler at kay Madam Grace kaya na bumalag para sa kanilang binigay na tulong dito sa ating pamilya. At si Madam Joyce Salinas, maraming salamat po sa inyo. This time, Arjan, strongly guided by Clarence. 10 seconds to shoot. Simon Leon, anong diskarte ang gagawin ni Madrid? 5 seconds to shoot. Nagsingay pa rin tayo. 1 second. Good. Arjan, this time, number 11 is Sapasek. 2 points. si Vegas, pero black ang ilaw, Palabalos, outside this time. It's a ball trending, basket 2 points. Offensive basket in temperance, it's a 2 points basket. 26 all. With the black natin, 26 all. Now on the feature score. This time on number 11. Arsen. Robert Batay, si Clarence Valdez. Bibigyan naman ng Abalos. Abalos, meron ang shot, but no good, Madrid. And that's the foul number. Number 15, that's the foul on number 15. Guilty on the pushing foul on number 15. Three throws awarded for Madrid. Second personal foul on number 15. First throw is saved. And this time for the second free throw off Madrid.
Huwag na hindi siya shoot. Hindi ba? Magkakaroon pa natin film. Malamlangis.
Number 28 on Luca Valdez. To number 23, Ramos, and the basket.
Ang tanong nyo, tapos mabilis sila.
Number 11 on Arsen, bigyan naman ng Madrid. Madrid na yan. Travis Simmons, may kayang take, diretso ba si Madrid? It's a basket, 2 points on Madrid. Number 90. Mika this time. Dadaan sa balayan. Basket, 2 points for Nico Valdez.
Sino yung sumigaw? Sino yung sumigaw, Pilik? Pilik, yung nangko. Aray, wag mo akong purutin.
Looking for the seven, Abalos naman. No basket, but the last foul again on number 50. It's the third personal foul on number 50.
Naupo lagi ni
Substitution, Pilak is out, replaced on number 50.
Disturb, hindi naka-shoot.
Dali.
Madrid, defensive rebound on number 28, it's time on Nico Valdez.
Wait. Tayo, matutumpak eh. Tayo.
Number 04, the last foul.
Yay! Galing na.
Galing na tumba ka.
Sakay ka ba? Sherry?
Sino mo, si Pinky at
Shoot.
It's very short for Nico Valdez. It's time for the second free throw. Take the second free throw.
Kaya, wala na siya.
Ang tulis ng puwet mo. Kulit na ba to? Natutusok yung legs ko.
Ako na, tignan mo.
Good also. At mapupunta ang Zipuloyan Foundation, 5 minutes and 23 seconds.
Tingnan kay Kuya Sanju.
Number 11, Arsen Batay. Ibay naman. That's no good.
Nang matumba ka na.
Nico Valdez on the ball. Indiretso sa Nico. Bigay ang good ball. Nice play. That's it by sa Gilder on number 5. Arsen this time, number 11. Arsen Ryan. To Simon Soriano. Labas sa Lagyo. Pero ang champion ang Jumatay sa basket ng number 11. Number 5, Bundayay, Iwan. Ramos naman, but no good. Arsen Jumatay this time. Arsen. Sumakay ka pa. Number 11.
Idol mo mo yun ah! Idol mo!
Yes, good time.
Okay.
Ramos, it's a box of 2,023.
Napalobo si Karen sa limang dalawa.
Nice.
Patrick, naman. Spies on the grid, number 18.
Ay, nagtitinda. Titinda.
Tonight's a foul, a number. Number 05, tonight's a foul. Time out for Barangay Element. Next game, after this game, yung laro ng yellow at saka black, get ready on the
Maya, alam mo, siguro maya dito.
Sino yun? Maingay yun?
Ikaw yata yun.
Ay, ako ba yun?
Ikaw ata. Bading yung boses mo.
Hindi ko sa si Karen.
This time, Ramos, lalapit. Five, Ramos. Arsenal, number 11. Bibigay na ng Simon, number 21. Simon this time, para makita. Clarence Magas.
Bakla.
Number 11, Dumatay this time, Arsenal Dumatay. More basket, but tonight's the foul, number. Number 28, tonight's the foul. Number 8, tonight's the foul. Number 8, Tahusay. Substitution. Second personal foul, number 8, Tahusay.
Hindi lang wala kayo.
So, free throws the one, that's for number 11.
Ngapin lang.
Hindi lang malaya mo.
Ngapin lang. Very good.
First throws, one. Steve Hardy for the free throws from number 11.
Aray.
3 minutes and 5 seconds. Ramos.
Di mala.
Ano na si?
Madrid this time too. It's a beautiful play on Clarence Magas. Bigyan ng sapaga si Madrid. Madrid na yan. Single pa rin tayo. Substitution.
Galawan ni
Go Madrid!
Saan ka ba talaga?
Kahit saan. Gwapo naman sila. Wag lang sa ano.
Baseline rebound para kay Kalinim. Number 5, Kalinim. Bigay po number 28, Bumakay. Iliwan para kay Isawa. 5 seconds to shoot. To Atamas. It's a basket. 2 points to Nomalos.
Ilagta. Gano'n si Palimanaw.
Now number 5 to Kamusay. Basket. Good day out. Kalinim sa Ikabal. Kalinim na yan. Bibigay naman.
Doko-doko yan.
Dumatay kay Isaya. Para mabibigay. Kahusay. Yung direkta.
Kahus!
1 minute 55 seconds.
Ha!
Isaya this time.
Okay!
At pala, mapupunta na ay Element.
Akala ko sa akin.
34-38. Official score. Ang Pupas. Ang hinahabol ng Zipilayan Pupas.
Dami na!
Number 5.
Sino yun?
1 minute and 38 seconds. Sinubulan ang Kalilim.
Kulay mo ka na sa akin. Ako.
Bahis sila si Brian. Kapitan. Brian si Brian.
Huwag kami.
Number 8, Kahusay. substitution. Avalanche out, the place at number 11.
May nawa sila po kaya.
Ano?
Mga pusa.
Mga kusay? Makain ng kusay?
Akala ko cheetah.
Saya 1 minute 15 seconds. Single Panagaya substitution. Single is out at Panagaya keeper number 30. 1 minute 12 seconds. Now on. Keeper this time. 55 seconds.
Tabo ng Lara.
Sa pangalan number.
Oh my God.
Number 3, 15 seconds. Sa Pampaga. Isang pass para kay Kalumen. Sa basket, 2 bites. 40 seconds. Number 8, Ryan Grayson. Hindi naman ang kita. Pero yung Number 2 is out by Lawrence. Papalitan nga lang isa ang number 12. 27 seconds.
Hindi kasi 27 sa'yo.
47. 38, 42 pieces score.
Tama, dyan mo yun.
5 seconds. It's another basket. 50, 34 pieces score. Namin na puntos. Sayang ang sayo. Connect sa pahalang number 23. Holding pahalang number 23, Ramos. Second personal pahalang Ramos, number 23. Usayo. Bigayang Kalumen. Usayan, Bundalaw, number 5. Bigay naman ng Cornelius. Got the basket of the next power number 28 on Nico Vargas. Second person of power on Nico Vargas. And take a bonus shot on number 5, Saliming. Basket also for the bonus free throw. Good na yan. Bigyan number 8, Kausay. Back to Bigyan, looking for his either, pero didiretso na. Pasa na. Back to Ramos. Makukuha ang Madrid. Dusul ang Madrid. To Kalimlin. Kalimlin is last shot sa Kalimlin. 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Bigyan. So, Nico Vargas on number 28, Vargas. Bigyan naman ang Vargas, number 3. It's a try from Vargas. 52-45. Mabasa 5 puntos ang hinahabol ng GP Laurel Poblacion. Ay sa ngayon si Ryan Libres. Lumabasa, pero Benedita Camargo with 50 points on the day.
Shut up!
Number 28. But connects the foul. Number 5, Gundaya connects the foul. 49. 52-49, official score. 52. Stop. Arson for the sideline rebound. Lucas. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to hit is Saya. 12 seconds to hit is Saya. No basket, but connects the foul and number 3. Looking on the line is Saya. And Saya's basket. This time for the second free throw.
Mahulog yung camera.
Nablablar.
Papaw! Ay, nala.
Gundaya. Bibigay ang Nico Valdez.
Yes!
Set to points on number 28. Apat na pugas ang hinahabol ng GP Laurel. Sa Ligaya. Dahil sa defensive foul ang number 19 ang Tagod. It's defensive foul. Turns personal foul para kay Madrid.
Madrid, dalawa.
Number 5 ang Gundaya. Bibigyan naman ang bawas. No good.
Laro to.
Maliit pa sa yan.
15 pa.
5 minutes, 17 seconds.
Aliwankin.
Isaya, number 10.
15. Yes!
So, Nico Valdez. Bibigay. Now on Clarence. Points on Clarence. Valdez.
Nice, Clarence!
Madrigal, solid gather by Nico. So, Kalin. Simple pa rin tayo. Sige. Kalin, this time. For Isaya, sinalubaw. No basket. Isaya pa rin, Lugo. So, iba pa rin tayo. Last shot by number 15 for Barangay with 29 seconds. Nice on this time. Bibigay ang Madrid, number 19. Madrid. Kahusay. Para makukuha ni Arsen this time. No basket but connects the foul number 15 on Pinlock for penalty situation. Penalty.
Nakakapos na kain yan.
First throw is a lot to bounce.
Bigis yan.
No basket. Tumalang sa Kalin. Sa basket, 2 points.
Patiray lupa din kami.
4 minutes, 4 seconds. Nico Valdez, bigay naman ang Gundaya. Libra, pero wala. Arsen Dumansay, bibigay ang Kalin. Kalin. It's a basket, 2 points. Citizen. It's a offensive ball on purpose. minutes. It's a basket, 2 points for the last shot.
Alam mo, baby.
Gundaya, number 5. Gundaya ngayon, magkakalusot. Bibigay, babalik ang Gundaya. Mag-move basket. That's a foul and number 19 on Joshua Madrid.
Stop na yung candy, ah.
His throw is up. It's time for the second free throw. It's a basket, 2 points. 60, 55.
Huli na! Huli na pala.
Madrid is a basket, 2 points. Patalastas na yun. Nagkabalakay pa si Madrid. Madrid na yan. Bobela si Madrid. The basket. Madrid na yan si Kahusay. Basket, 2 points. 3 minutes. It's a basket on his side. Sundaya, this time number 5.
Batek na
Sundaya
rin.
naman ang Dallas. Dallas. Kaya yun. For number 11, Arsen Leon is a basket. 2 points.
Laban! Laban!
It's a timeout on Barangay Alulid. 64-61, our official score. Mr. MVP on King Philip, Mr. Steven Bagas. Mas maligayang panonood para kay Mr. Steven Bagas.
Ay, hindi pa na.
2 minutes and 25 seconds. This time Bagas number 28. Nagiging sa short. Pero mabibitawan.
Felix! Ano yun?
So that's a foul on number 28.
Why?
Nice turnaround bumper. No basket, but tonight's a foul again on number. Ang personal foul on number 28. Reserve.
Laos like them!
Mga preso yaga mo.
Go, Clarence!
It's the penalty for the free throws of Clarence Bagas.
Ang galing mo, Clarence!
This time number 28 from a tie. Followed by Kahusay and Madrid. Kahusay for the defensive rebound. That's the next foul on number 30 on Avalos.
Oh, mahulog ka. Kita lang pa.
It's the tie for number 3 throws.
Ay, dada na ako! Ay, kay ano?
Number 28 on Pumatay to Madrid na yan. Arsen this time, Magkakabuelo, Madrid basket. Arsen, Madrid basket naman. Matukuha ang Madrid. 10 seconds to shoot. Madrid basket, but that's a foul on number 5. There's no good at this time. Basket is being targeted for the free throws off the way.
Diyan.
1 minute 30 seconds. Mika Bagas, number 28. No basket, but that's a foul on number. It's a third personal foul on Avalos. So number 23. Knocked it down. And so basket substitution rep. Number 11 and number 30, Avalos and Jumatay is out of these guys, Tyler and Sampaga. Sayo, nagulat pa. 1 minute. This time, Clarence on number 3. Lucas Hernandez, Sayo, number 10.
Bawi na yun. Dito na. Wow.
Two times, 1 minute of the time remaining. This time, Valdez on number 28. 50 seconds. Moving it on to Clarence, number 3. 45 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. It's 3 points.
Ang galing-galing mo!
20 seconds is Saya to Sampaya, babalik. Hilat. Para magkukuha. That last touch on the Saya, number 10. Only 22 seconds.
Tingin mo! Tingin mo! Mami, yung matangkad, sobrang tangkad niya. Gulay para tumakot.
Number 3. 20 seconds.
Talo ng
15 seconds.
Reverse!
10 seconds to shoot.
Shoot! Bigay dito.
5 seconds. It's a right lane violation. 4.2 seconds. Only 4.2 seconds. Only 4.2 seconds.
Uncle Dad.
No pass up for the last shot.
Nakampay ng ano.
Yes.
This is a 10 minutes play-off. 10 minutes hockey play-off. Sagalihan para kay Kalisay. Now Nico Valdez. Good round.
Agad, ito na Rivera. Ay!
To Nico Valdez.
Ha!
Lawrence. Now 10 seconds to shoot. It's the 2 pass. Number 64 official score. So that's the foul on number 23 on Ramos. So that's the foul. Coming in to number 19 on the bridge is Simon this time. 10 seconds to hit. Last 8 minutes, 45 seconds.
Fourth quarter, last
Number 28, Nico Valdez, now to Kahusay. Kahusay, pumili po yung bumper. Sa basket, 2 points. Madrid Ram. Bumper. Madrid Ram. That's the foul on number 28. That's the foul on number 28 on Nico Valdez. It's a third personal foul on number 28 for Nico Valdez.
Galing niyo sa ospital.
Paano magpunasan ng pao?
Nasawan ka na.
7-6, 6-6, official score.
Anti-anti.
At 10 puntos na ang haba ng barangay Puglasan. Single pa rin tayo na number 30.
Ayun lang, pakya lang.
9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds on the shot clock is Saya. Hindi ba lang kanina? Nasusunod 5 seconds to shoot. Pinto, number 22. Bundayaw. Bundayaw naman, back to Pinto.
Kayo!
Bundayaw, bibigyan naman ang kahusay number 8. Bibigyan number 10 is Sayang. Is Sayang naman. Bibigyan sa Sayang. Bigay kay Kalingin. Basket 2 points.
Seven.
76-17, decent score. That's the foul on number 21 on China Serrano.
Sige na, Ramos. Shoot mo! Shoot mo! Shoot mo!
Ramos for the sideline inbound.
Nice one!
And there are 10 seconds to shoot. Not Pilates foul on number 15. On number 19. Number 19 on Madrid. Third personal foul on number 19. 10 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes, 55 seconds. On number 30, it's a good pushing foul on number 30.
Fade away ni Bas. Parang fade away.
And this time, ball shots of number 5, Ron Galilin. May basket. At wala, mapupunta ang barangay Enemies. Official score is 79-75. Apat na puntos na lang ang inahabang. Ang barangay Pupulasad, Zipulayan 6.
Yung may bigis na likod mo.
Bundayaw. Bibigay para makukuha ang isang paga. Napipigay ang kahusay. Third, Lares. Lares Reyes. Step back for Gray. Number 21, Simon Serrano for the defensive rebound. Napalas naman, there's time out. It's a basket. Dalawang putas na lang ang kalamangan ng barangay Enemies. Ramos to number 3. 5 minutes, 30 seconds. It's Sayang. It's Sayang naman. Bibigay ang isang putas na lang ang nananatiling kalamangan ng barangay Enemies. It's Simon Bundayaw. Back negative. Apalos, it's Sayang. It's Sayang na yan. Bibigay sa and call a timeout from barangay Enemies. Kalamangan para sa produsyon ng GPL9.
Go, Miko!
This time on Bundayaw. Isang lugar sa Apalas. Apalas naman. Di may pagpagang bantay ni Clarence. Nico Vargas. 5 seconds to shoot. Magid. Ramos. Ramos pa rin. Nabas kay Bundayaw. May basket. Mantiguha. This time on Santiago. For Alison. Libre. yung flashlight. This time, 10 seconds to shoot. Didiretso sa kahusay. Talong mo yan, this time. Tonight sa power number 3, Vargas.
Diyan kayo na lang. Kasal ko dyan.
Number 3.
Oh, naman eh. Naman.
And now back to the ball game. Last 3 minutes and 34 seconds.
Sit down. Magpapuro. Ay,
It's your third personal foul on Clarence Vargas. It's your fourth personal foul. At sa good luck, pataanin muna natin. Dito siya nadadaan. Last 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Deadlock tayo, ha? Deadlock. No basket, but tonight's foul on number 8, tonight's foul on number 8. Penalty situation, penalty. Third personal foul on number 8. Madrid this time too. Madrid! Sa basket, pass. Last minute, 18 seconds. Number 8, ang kahusay. Anong diskarte ang gagawin? This time, Sumita Vargas. Number 28, Vargas. Patay si number 8. 2. Single pa rin tayo. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes, 50 seconds. It's a basket that may kasamang pahala number 5, tonight's foul on number 5 on Gundalaw. Third personal foul on Gundalaw. And now for the bonus free throw. Last 2 minutes and 44 seconds.
Good lang, good lang.
And now for the bonus free throw. No basket. Pero makukuha ni Kahusay. Now to Gundalaw. Gundalaw naman ngayon. No basket.
Kinaiyak ka na lang siya.
Talaga rin ka na. Kakalam.
86 official score. Hey, basket, play of Gundalaw. Last 2 minutes, 25 seconds.
Nice.
Still trying for the free throws of Gundalaw. Last 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Arson na yan. Bibigay ng Kalimuin. Kaya this time, bibigyan naman ng Vargas ang number 3. Last 2 minutes, 5 seconds. Ang last this time. At wala, matutuga para sa
Guys, sabi na na!
call a timeout for Barangay Poblacion. Last 152 seconds.
Sabi niya kasi wala na ka daw. Parang mapag-timeline ko na overtime niya ako.
And now back to the ball game. Last 1 minute.
Lalagyan ko dito. Sige na na!
This time, number 5 and good there. Good naman. Binigay naman sa number 11. To Isaiah Bugala. Is a basket. Isaiah 90 all. Last one, 25 seconds.
Yan ang naman yung animal.
Binigay ang number 5. Diretso. Last 1 minute 15 seconds. Isaiah. Diretso. It's a basket.
Kimulat animal.
Nala, animal.
Animal ang pagkala. Ipilit rin po.
92 all over pieces score.
Mapat, sumapat.
Ganun ang gawin mo. Yung pangoy, ganun mo. Pag nakaano ng crumbs, alam mo yung parang ginagawa. Ganyan din po. Ganyan din.
Oh, kalbo.
Lalapat ko.
Hey, ladies.
May malit.
Napula yung hand. Pagkamahan na pag-amang.
Magaling. Wala sa yung magaling.
Last 1 minute 7 seconds. It's a Bagla Tower 92 all. Last 1 minute. That pronounce is foul. Number 10, guilty on the pushing foul on number 10. First personal foul on number 10 is foul.
Hindi kailangan to dito?
Ako!
Yes!
First place, basket.
Good! Ha? Kailangan niya kasi
92 pieces score. Back to Master Dawson to five for the very close. 94-92. Last 58 seconds. I think this time, number 11. Last 32 seconds. Gundala this time. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a 10 seconds to shoot. Seconds on the shot clock.
22 seconds.
Last 27 seconds. 2.6 seconds. 9-6, 9-3, RLC score.
Overtime.
Kastre, para kita.
Call a timeout for Barangay Anulit. At susunod na ang last timeout para sa Barangay Anulit. Both teams, no more timeout for both teams. Wala na pong timeout na nasisira ang both teams. And now back to the ball game. Last 2.6 seconds. Last 2.6 seconds.
Sampagan ko ni. Pwede sa bagay.
Bersama Pemecahan yang berilah pada Zahra Liman. Diberikan kay Sampaga.